Welcome to Frog TV, I'm Adam Baker. This is Pachira Lodge. The property is located on the northern Caribbean coast of Costa Rica, and it's right next to the Tortuguero National Park. You reach the hotel by either boat or air. There's no ground transfer that will get you all the way here. If you're coming from San Jose, you'll take a bus up to Caño Blanco before you'll be taken on a lancha, a local Costa Rican boat, through the canals before arriving on site. As soon as you arrive, you'll be welcomed with a friendly smile and a refreshing tropical drink. Included in your stay are a number of activities found right on site. Pachira has accessible trails right into the jungle. They're literally on your doorstep and expect to find plenty of wildlife up in the canopy of the trees. You can also enjoy a cultural experience by going into the Tortuguero town itself. It's a great opportunity to explore local life and pick up a souvenir of your own. The biggest highlight of coming to Tortuguero is undoubtedly visiting the national park through the canals themselves. Experience nature and wildlife firsthand from your longboat as you look up into the canopy to find birds, monkeys, sloths, macaws, and even more. For something a little different, you can take an additional tour up to Cerro Tortuguero. This will offer you incredible views of the region once you make it to the top. Included in your stay are 3 delicious locally cooked meals. The Pachira restaurant is spacious and you'll have something different every single day, making it ideal for everyone. Pachira Lodge. It's ideal for families, for large groups, and even for couples looking to be fully immersed in the jungles of Tortuguero. The highlights on site are undoubtedly the activities found here. The canal tours are second to none if you're looking for true wildlife that only Tortuguero offers. If you're interested in a stay, click just here. As ever, please don't forget to click here to stay in touch with everything Costa Rica related. For Frog TV, I'm Adam Baker. Hasta la próxima.